Hi everyone, and welcome to the Superb AI Academy. My name is Sam, and today I'll be discussing our new option for polygon annotation, the brush tool. This tool allows you to add, subtract, and fill freely drawn shapes. First, I'll use the brush tool to illustrate and adjust a shape from scratch. I'll begin by drawing an outline. Once this outline is completed, I can use the Fill tool to fill in the empty space. I can now use the tool to expand the labeled region or to subtract from it. Next, let's take a look at adjusting a label made with our auto label. Here's an image I annotated using our Common Objects auto label model. Let's see if we can clean these edges up. Here, I'm using the Union With brush and the Subtract With brush tools to modify the existing shape. I can also modify the size of the brush tool, either for increased precision or to add and subtract larger regions quickly. And that's it. Thank you for joining me for this episode of the Superb AI Academy. See you next time.